video, I'm going to show you how to auto-collect Google Form responses and send instantly confirmation email to the respondent using Google Sheets and AppleScript. This tutorial is perfect for email registrations, surveys, applications, and more. Okay, let's get started.
Alright, let's first create a Google form. I go to the Google Forms and create a new form. The first question is name. I choose short answer for the answer type and make the question required. The next question is email. And again, short answer. Make sure both are required, especially the email, because we are going to use it to send the confirmation message. You can add any other questions based on your desire. Once your form is ready, click on the Responses tab and then hit the green sheet icon to link it to a Google Sheet. Okay, now I open the linked Google Sheet. From the top menu, I click on the Extensions tab and then AppleScript. Alright, I'm going to write a small script that listens to each form submission and sends an email instantly. Alright, in the script editor, I delete any default code, and now I type the code, then explain it to you. Alright, this is the code. You can find the link to the code and the sheet in the description. What does this code do? It sends an automatic thank you email to someone right after they fill out your Google form. This script grabs the name and email from a form, builds a nice thank you message that you can change it as your desire, and send it to the person immediately after they submit. Okay, this was the code. Now I click on the save icon. Now let's make sure this script runs automatically whenever someone submits the form. I click on the clock icon in the AppleScript toolbar, or I go to Triggers. Then I click on Add Trigger and choose On Form Submit for Event Type. Now I click on Save. That's it. Now let's try it out. Go back to your form and publish the form and go to the form URL. Now fill the form out with the test email and name and hit Submit. Now check your inbox. You should see a confirmation email right away. Let's try another one. As you can see, I received confirmation email instantly.
And that's it. Super simple and powerful. You can find a link to the AppleScript code in the description and also in our website. For the next, I suggest you to watch this tutorial that will improve your skills in Google Sheets and also in Google Forms. If you have any questions, ask me in the comments and I will answer all of them. If you like this tutorial, hit the thumbs up and do subscribe in case you're not subscribed yet. As always, thanks for watching. Have a good time.